Back in the trike. I'm not sure where we're going next. I'm just along for the ride. I don't know what the ladies are telling the guys. Let's continue on. Not sure what we're all doing today. I'm just going with the flow. Well, Kuya dropped us off at the cashew factory. Melb'S Cashew Factory, Coron, Palawan. So we're gonna go in here and see what they have to make. Various things made from the cashews. But what are we seeing here?
They're gonna give us a tour for free. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Sir, here downstairs.
Oh, we have a tour.
Yeah.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome, sir.
Down?
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to the inner bowels of the cashew factory.
Hi, sir.
Guys, welcome to my vlog.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Melb'S Cashew Factory.
Cashew factory. So let me watch you do it.
Cut it.
One, cut. Oh, wow, that's pretty
How was
easy.
it, sir?
How was it, ma'am?
So, welcome to Melb'S Cashew Factory. So, this is the sample of cashew plant.
Okay, the cashew plants are here.
The cashews once are used to produce the nuts, starting December until May the season. The first process, we dry the seeds under the sun for 3 days to less the acid or sap. After dry, we cut one by one like this. After cut, she removed the nuts from the shell one by one again. She used plastic or gloves to protect our hands because the sap is itchy and burn the skin.
Oh, yeah.
And then like Lola, remove.
removing the inner skin.
Hello, Lola.
Hello.
That's the harder process, removing the inner skin.
Yeah, the inner skin and the shell, and they put in the gloves because it's itchy to your fingers. They give you a rash, doesn't it? Is it rash or just itchy? Rash.
So, if we have the bag like that, 10 to 15 kilos, like that. We wash a lot of water, 10 times or more than 10 times to remove the dirt or sap.
Very good.
Before to prepare to cook like toasted, roasted, bandy with jackfruit, brittle with honey, yema, marzipan, and then pulveron. This cooking there like called the bandy with jackfruit.
Flavor jack.
Oh, she's cooking it with
Yeah.
jackfruit.
That's the best seller.
It's the best seller with
Yes,
jackfruit.
sir.
Looks like it has some sort of brown sugar or glaze and honey on it.
Yes.
Is brown sugar?
Yes.
Brown sugar and jackfruit. Very nice.
So the cashew is 90% in the whole Palawan. This is the main product or the legacy in Palawan.
Oh, I didn't even realize that. So main product of Palawan is the cashews. 20% of their industry's produce or farm commodity or product in this case.
So we have a pre-taste after. All the product you can taste before you buy.
Okay.
And we have also a tip box per hour per.
Alrighty.
Nice.
Alright, we'll make sure Tita or my wife leave them a little tip for that. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
May I know your names?
Angeline. Jilin.
Jeline?
Yes, sir.
Ati?
Melb'S, the owner of Cashew.
Oh, the owner. Wow. Ano pangalan mo?
Heidi.
Heidi.
Yes.
Lola?
Evelyn.
Evelyn. Nice to meet you all.
Nice
Thank
to meet
you.
you. Thank you very much for your vlog.
Thank you.
Sorry po.
You can tag my page.
Are you on Facebook?
Yeah.
I'll tag your Facebook. My video's about 1 month out. 1 to 2 months out behind.
Melb'S Cashew Factory.
Oh, okay, good morning. What you cooking? Hello, what's your name?
Flavor. Lucky.
Your name?
Luck.
Luck?
Luck.
Luck? That's your name? Okay. Luck, nice to meet you.
Nasi Sugar caramelized flavor.
Smells good.
Sweet
Nice.
cashew nut.
Sweet cashew nuts. So nice. So, masarap.
Masarap. Finished product.
Wow.
As to my representative.
Okay.
Very good. I'm gonna try some samples here before we buy some pasalubong. Sample. Which one is this one?
Caramelized cashew, sir, with jackfruit flavor.
Caramelized cashew with jackfruit. Wow, that's completely different from anything you ever had in the USA. That has a caramelized sugar coating on it. So really good.
No, that's different flavor now.
Toasted
Oh.
garlic, sir.
Okay, this one's toasted garlic.
Ano yung
Mm.
may lapa, bandito.
That's more traditional taste. So it's that tastes similar to what we have in the United States. And then we got some spicy toasted cashew. We're gonna give that a whirl. Spicy. Here's the spicy ones. Give it a whirl. Mm. Kicking in a little bit, spice a little bit. Did you try some of these?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's good.
Good as well. All right. What's this one?
Roasted plain, sir.
Roasted, just plain old roasted. I got all the spice in my mouth right now. Mm. This is a light flavor for those that don't want it too salty or savory. So you got the honey cashew brittle next. Honey cashew brittle. So their version of peanut brittle with cashew. It's got that crunchiness that you have in the peanut brittle. Very good flavor. So that is very, very good. So I think we tried all the samples. All right, this is what we got. We got a whole bag full of pasalubong. Let me see. Man, that's about 7-8 kilos right there. Over limit on our baggage on the airline. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Joke. All right, guys. Get your cashews here at Melb'S Cashew Factory in Coron, Palawan. Follow them on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Links will be in the description. I think we've purchased our pasalubong and we're going to head off to the next destination. So here's our transport for today. A Kawasaki Morocco 2. There you go. Probably 150 or 175 cc manual motorcycle for you. For those of you that are not sure how these trikes, they buy the motorcycle, then they have a trike construction company manufacture whatever style they want of trike that's particular to the city or barangay they live in. Thank you, Mel, for allowing us to share in your cashew factory. This is quite a wonderful little business you have here. How long have you been in business?
Since my mother's starting.
How many years do you think that was?
Starting in 2014
2014.
from the owner.
Well, Miss Mel's the owner now, and it's a wonderful little tour that they have that you can go down and see them actually shucking the cashews and processing them. And you guys also have, if I'm not mistaken, you're on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok,
Yeah,
right?
TikTok.
So go ahead and follow Mel's blog and her Facebook and her YouTube social media channels. And we appreciate you guys if you would come down and check her out and give her a little business. So anyways, until the next one, we appreciate you guys watching and ask that you like, share, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on Facebook at Sealander Adventures. Until the next one, from Palawan, Coron, Palawan. Coron, Palawan.
Melb'S Cashew Factory.
Oh yes. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you.
Thank you.
Always welcome.